Morning everyone, it is the 28th of April and here is the morning video just to go with the email that's just been sent out. Plan for today really is shorter rallies. We've had a drop overnight on the lack of Japanese stimulus that was announced at about 4 AM our time, which if I expand the 30-minute chart, you can see accounted for that drop there of about 50 points it dropped down. Bounced a little bit and has dropped back again. As I mentioned in the email, I'm sort of thinking we'll get a bit of a gap close and a bit of a rise up, either to the pivot around 6305 or the slightly stronger resistance at 6320-ish, something like that. You can see we've also got the top of a 30-minute channel there as well, and this thick red line, which is the major PRT line. So if we do get a rally to either of those spots, it's probably worth a short off them. Higher up, we've got the top of the 10-day Bianca channel at 6371, which is a level that's definitely worth shorting from. On the support side, we've got S1 down at 6275, and then those daily channels, the Bianca and the RAF ones, down at the 6260 area. If the bears break 6260, then I think we're probably going to head down towards 6200. So short a break of that as well, because it's possible that we won't bounce this morning and test these resistance levels for the short orders. So if it does just trend down all day, definitely just hop on a short on a break of 6260. I do think it will bounce though, which is why obviously I've put the short orders up here. So that's my plan really. Bit of a gap close up towards that area and then a dip back down again. So we'll just look at the 2-hour chart now. Is actually still bullish. The faster moving average, the blue line, is above the purple line. That's the 20 periods and 100 period. And you can see there where we got our long at 6265 yesterday. So that bounced quite well off of that purple line. We've got a nice sequence of green candles. And then obviously that Japanese news again has just brought that back down again. Now the coral's leveled off a bit, so it may, if the bulls were strong today, remains to be seen. But if we do dip down towards this 6275 area and that holds, that coral could start to turn up and actually go green. So we'd actually then have a bullish trend on the 2-hour chart. Moving averages are still quite far apart. So a fairly key day really for both the bulls and the bears. So it'd be interesting to see what happens today. Daily chart wise, let's have a look at that on the RAF channels. You can see that the 20-day, which is the green one, obviously still heading up, and that's got support at that 6265 area. Around about there. Now we have had a few tests of that bottom of that channel, so which is why if we do break it, I think we're going to head down towards the bottom of the 10-day RAF, which is at around that 6200 area. We've also got the daily 200 EMA there, which is this orange line. So as I said, if that 20-day channel breaks, look to go short to target 6200. Again, fairly key really. The 10-day, obviously, as you can see, is now heading down as well. So, that's the plan really. Short the rallies is what I'm thinking. So, good luck today. Happy trading, and any questions, please drop me an email.